Good morning everybody and welcome to my channel. Yes, you guys, there are hardly any new coupons from yesterday. I usually say, you should print what you want and then most likely they're going to reset today, but it looks like most of the new coupons ended up showing up yesterday, probably because it was just a new week. Everybody wanted to start fresh for the month, but I'm just going to share with you guys some coupons. The CoverGirl coupons did reset for me, so I'm going to print those off. I don't know if that's, yeah. So I'm going to print those off because I only have like a couple inserts since I'm just kind of going back at it. So I'm just printing those off. But the You'll Play, they do have a deal on Saving Star with that if you guys need to add that stuff. Looks like the Biotin reset for me. And I can't remember if there was a deal in Ibotta for that. But I'm printing that off. And then the Benadryl, Cortisone, Aspirin Cream, those are still all available. The big one reset. I'm just going to print that one off. The $2 Burt's Bees. It's a $2 off coupon. I'm going to print that one. And then Sargento. So all this pretty much just reset. So it just depends on what you guys need to print and what you need. I think this Beyond Dog Food, that one might be a new one, but I'm not sure. Again, You'll Play Act is still available. A lot of Claritin off. Pine Sol. More Claritin. And then the ones that did not reset for me were the General Mills cereal, the Botanica, and then the dog food, or the cat food. Yeah, the cat food. So, just want to give you guys a heads up. I will hopefully, I want to start Walmart again soon, but with everything going on, I can't bring my kids anywhere. So, we will see when that happens, but hopefully soon. And I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.